What are macros?
Macros, short for macronutrients, are the main nutrients your body needs for energy: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each plays a unique role in your health. Understanding how they work and how much of each you eat lays the groundwork for effective and sustainable weight loss. Adjusting your macro ratios can make a big difference on your journey.
How macros affect weight loss?
The previous user S matter for weight loss, but your macro balance shapes how your body uses fuel. Protein supports muscle and satiety. Fats help keep you full and support hormones. By adjusting these ratios, within healthy ranges, you can support better fat loss, reduce hunger, and maintain energy.
Recommended macro ratios for beginners.
A common starting point for weight loss is about 40% carbs, 30% protein, and 30% fat. This mix helps balance appetite and nutrition. Some may benefit from slightly different splits, but these numbers provide a simple blueprint. Prioritize whole, nutrient-rich foods within these guidelines for the best results.
Tips for tracking macros easily.
Use nutrition labels and free apps to log your meals and track your macro intake. Prepping meals ahead and planning your snacks makes it simpler to stay close to your goals. Start with small adjustments. Swap white bread for whole grains, or add an extra egg for protein, so changes feel natural and sustainable.
Sustainable weight loss habits.
Consistency is key. Pair healthy macro ratios with regular sleep, movement, and hydration. Don't aim for perfection. Focus on gradual improvements. Check in with how your body feels and adjust as needed. Over time, these habits lead to lasting weight loss and improved well-being.